Hi all, welcome to Lathus Kitchen. Today there is an interesting chutney recipe that I am sharing with all of you. This is one of South Indians most favored chutney, I would say. If you have this chutney, I know few people who can eat even 25 idlis. Yes, you heard me right. This is one of South Indians most favored chutney, which is a very good combo with your idlis and dosas. Also goes well with upma and pongal too. Do give it a try. But before that, hi everyone, welcome to Lathus Kitchen. If you're visiting Lathus Kitchen first time, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Yes, press the red color button, subscribe. And if you like the video, do leave a like and do not forget to press the bell too, so that you get notified on any of our future updates that we upload. Yes, today I would be sharing a very spicy kara chutney, tomato chutney. You can call it kara chutney, tomato chutney, whatever it may be the name of it. But yes, a very good chutney to go with your fluffy, soft idlis. If you are looking for a idli batter recipe, I have posted plenty: poha idli, moongil arasi idli, that is bamboo rice idli, and many more. I'll give the link in the description or cards. Do check. To make this tomato chutney, these are the ingredients which I would be using today. That is 2 fully ripe tomatoes. For this size of tomatoes, I'm using half an onion. That is the proportion. Do not use onion too much. Just a big sized half an onion for 2 big tomatoes. Just a little bit of tamarind. This tamarind will enhance the flavor of the tomato. That is the only reason we are adding just a little bit. And 3 red chilies. If you want more spice, you can have 5 also. And a tablespoon of whole urad dal. That's it. And of course, we would be using mustard seeds for tempering along with some sesame oil. Rough chop your onions and tomatoes. No required any proper cutting, because we are going to any which ways roast these onions and tomatoes. So rough chop them and keep it ready. Now in a kadai, of course, add a tablespoon of oil, preferable sesame oil, that is til oil, and the urad dal and the red chili. Roast till the urad dal turns nicely golden brown. Do not burn it. So just be a little careful on browning on frying the urad dal. Then immediately add in your onions. Here the important trick to maintain the color of the tomato chutney is, do not over roast them. Even the onions, slightly we are going to roast it. Not we are going to roast till it is brown. That the one which we make it for pulao, the onions. No, just light roasting the onions. Then add in your tamarind, just a little bit, not even a lemon size, just less than that. This little bit of adding a tamarind, like I said, it will enhance the flavor of this chutney. Only for that purpose we are adding, not for the tanginess. The tanginess that we are going to get only from the tomatoes. But I am using today Bangalore tomatoes, which may not be that tangy. If you are using country tomatoes, then it is very good. Otherwise, you may want to increase the tamarind proportion just a little bit. That's it. So now add in the tomatoes, saute a little bit. The important tricks, like I said, is do not overcook the onions and tomatoes. Add in the complete salt which we require for this chutney. Then saute. Add in half a tablespoon of astafodia hing, which will also give a nice flavor to this chutney. Spiciness, like I said, this I would be feeding for my child too. That's why I'm stopping with 3 chilies. If you have no problem, go ahead and add 5 chilies also for this proportion of tomatoes and the onions that I have given. Yes, hing half a spoon or less than that should be good enough for this proportion of tomatoes and the onions. That's it. Saute, and it is almost done. I want the onions and the tomatoes to get roasted along with the oil and the red chilies. That's it. So once it is done, we are going to cool it. Switch off the gas stove. Let it cool down completely before we grind this. into a little coarse kind of a consistency, may not be very smooth, a little coarse kind of a consistency. Then this chutney is too good with your soft idlis, dosas, a very good combo. Yes, I'm switching off the stove now. I'm going to cool this. Once it is completely cooled, then only we have to grind it. Otherwise, A, the mixer jar will get repair, and B, the chutney, the jar from the chutney will come out because of the too much of a heatness inside. So better cool it down completely before we grind it into a smooth coarse consistency. An important key, another key here is the kadai that we have used to roast these onions and tomatoes. Add in just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it like this, and take this water and add it to your chutney. This will give you a nice flavor because the most of the flavor which got maybe stuck onto the kadai. So by doing that, we will take all the flavors out and we will add it onto this mixture jar, and then we are going to grind it into a coarse consistency. Now tempering, take a pan, add in a tablespoon of sesame oil, mustard seeds, a little bit of whole urad dal again, and some curry leaves. That's it. The tempering is done. Here you go, a very tasty, wonderful South Indian style tomato chutney, kara chutney. A very good companion for your idlis and dosas, pongal, also for upma. So I'm sure you're going to give it a try, and do let me know how you liked it. And if you have any questions, do write into me in the comment section. If you really like the video, do leave a like, and if you really think it is really useful and worthy, do share it. That really means a lot to us. Share it with your network. And I'll be posting more such interesting and healthy recipes. So if you have still not subscribed, do subscribe to Lathus Kitchen. Looking forward to seeing you back again. Thank you so much for tuning into Lathus Kitchen. Thank you.